Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix Netflix login problems in gaming section. If you have a login problems while accessing Netflix games, no worry, this can be fixed easily. First, check your internet connection. Weak or unstable Wi-Fi can stop login from working properly, so restart your router if needed. Next, make sure you're using the correct Netflix email and password. Double check for typing mistakes. If login still fails, reset your password using the forgot password option in Netflix. Then, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the app, and make sure that the Netflix app is updated to the latest version because old versions can cause the login issues. If you are logging into your TV, next, if nothing works, uninstall and reinstall the Netflix app and try again. Now your Netflix login should work properly in the game section. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next guide.